GenerationHookah.com.
What's up guys, my name is mstar183. This is my custom entry for the Sahara Smoke contest. As you can see, I'm supposed to be HailStorm, the guy from Transformers. He's the one that has the rocket launchers on his back. And right now I'm smoking some hookah. I'm smoking some mint. As you can see, it's a little hard to smoke hookah with this custom one, but I just wanted to put a video out so you guys can check out my custom and my other videos that I have. So don't forget to check out my other videos on YouTube, and I hope you guys like it. Oh, fuck.